Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a FabFitFun Fall box that we'll be unboxing. Came a couple days ago. I'm really excited about what's in it. I love fall, so I think there's some warm and cozy items in here that we can have a look at. So you open up the box and this is what you see. You see your items wrapped in tissue, and then you see these two pieces of paper. So this one here talks about UNICEF USA, so it's a charity that FabFitFun works with. We have that. And then we also have the newsletter style, like the description of everything that is in the box. So I have already slipped one thing out of the box because I was actually in a pinch for a bag with a zipper for work. So I've already slipped out this item. And that says, will work out for cupcakes, and it's a gym bag. Gym bag is valued at $59, and if you have watched my other videos on FabFitFun boxes or seen other ones on YouTube, you know that the FabFitFun box subscription, the one box every season for $49.99, and that is American. So already right there, that bag, $59, and didn't even pay $59. So we will get into this now. So the first thing I see, which I'm really excited about, is this here. So it's Mercy Always by the Sea Cozy Wrap. So it's kind of like a scarf. It says travel well, travel often, and travel light. Now this was actually something I got to choose the color. So right before they send out all the subscription boxes, they're going to send you, you get to choices. So this would either come in the turquoise, the gray, or the pink. And I chose the pink one. I kind of wish I picked out the turquoise, but I didn't have enough time. So that's how large it is. And I'll probably just wear it as a scarf because it will keep me very warm once winter hits, and even like the cold fall nights. So here it is. It's actually really cute. I really like the color. It's super soft. Now I will quickly look to see how much it is. Okay, so the scarf valued at $98, which is amazing. Like 98 for this. I can't even believe that. But it's really soft. It's really pretty. I like kind of like that rose, the rose pink, almost like a burnt rose pink. It's really pretty. So that's the first thing. And I'm very happy with that. So there's the bag for $59 and this for $98. That's already $40 roughly. That's a lot. And didn't even pay that for this box. Next thing in here, oh, there's tons of things in here. Okay, so this here was a choice item as well. So you get to choose between the charcoal teeth whitening item. It's called Molar Dental Club C+C Whitening Factory Coconut and Carmen Teeth Whitening. So it was either this or it was a, what is it, apple cider vinegar for hair, like a treatment. So it was either that or this. And I have a lot of stuff for my hair, and I've always wanted to try this. So I thought this was definitely my opportunity to try. So open it up. It's ooh, it's very, it looks like it's very messy. It's kind of like a, can't really see that, but there's like, it's like a black powder. So I look forward to trying that out and seeing what that's all about. I've seen a couple videos already, and they say it's very messy. So I have to make sure that I get some towels probably laid over where I'm using it. This is a toothbrush that comes with it, so it's like a special charcoal toothbrush for that. Alright, the value of that item, $43.95. Next item is this, and I've actually heard some really cool things about this. So this is a matte color and shiny Balm Lip Crayon by Trestique, and it's in the Florence Fig color. It's really cute. So you pull it out and it looks like a lip crayon like that. And there it is. So that's the lip color there. You can do a little swatch. Oh, it's really pretty. Kind of looks a little bit orangey on camera, but it's actually like a rose pink. It's really pretty. So, and everyone's talking about how this is a magnetic lid, which it is. It is a magnetic lid. So that's pretty cool. So that item, valued at $28, so that's pretty cool. I'm actually looking forward to trying this. Oh. Says there's that. Oh, there's a second end to it. So there's like a balm on the one side, which is just a sheer color. You can see there's nothing there. So there's a balm on one side under the colored lid, and then the lipstick on the other side. That's pretty cool. So yes, $28 that's valued at. Next thing in here, we'll grab this. So this is it's by a company called Wish, and it's a renewing mud mask, which is, I love masks. I have so many I have masks from the Body Shop and Lush. So this is pretty cool. I don't have a mud mask though. So, comes in a little tube. It smells actually really good. It kind of just has like a clean smell. You can see it's like a gray color there on the lid there. So this is pretty cool. I look forward to trying that. So this item is valued at $48 for this, and it's really nice because it's an easy apply with the tube. You just squish it out here, or you apply it the way I would just, like, the way I had it before, you could just pour it out through the tube. But that's actually a really neat apply because it's kind of mess-free, where if you're using a pot, I find you get it all over your fingers and it's not really mess-free. This is cool. I look forward to trying that item. And I think I already said that it was valued at $48 for that. Alright, so this little guy is Deco Miami nail lacquer. It's a really cute packaging. Like, it's actually really cute. Vegan, cruelty-free, 8-free luxury grade formula. So open it up. And there you go. So that is like a cuticle oil. Cuticle oil lavender. Does have a little bit of a lavender kind of smell to it. So that's kind of cool. I would do my nails all the time, painting them or do those like nail polish strips, so that's definitely good. Right now I have no nails on, so I can actually use that today before I put more color on. So the value of that is $12.50. So that's pretty cool. The next thing in here, okay, so this item here, it's by M Living. It is a wire heart ceramic jewelry holder valued at $33. So we will undo this. We'll have a look at it. There's the heart piece. And then you get this ceramic dish. And then you put your heart in like that. And there it is. It's very cute. Not too crazy about it. I'm probably going to give this to someone else. Give it to my mom or something. I have a lot of jewelry holders similar to this, so I definitely don't need another. But it's a very cute idea. It's very simple, basic, Value of that's $33. I think I already mentioned that. So that's very cute as well. There's still like quite a few things to go through. This is a very big box this year, or this season. Alrighty. So this is called My Tagalongs Hot and Cold Gel Pack. You see it here. We'll open it up. So mine says, the heat is on, what's cooler than being cool? And you can freeze it or you can microwave it, so it can be hot or cold, which is awesome. I have a lot of heat packs that I use primarily in the winter time and, you know, when it gets cooler in the fall. So I'm actually really excited about that. It'll be just another little extra one. I've already bought, I think, 2 recently from Winners. So I am set for heat packs. Did I say how much that one was? I don't think I did. It was $15. So that was valued at $15 for that hot cold pack. So second last thing in my bag, in my box, is this hat. So the hat was a choice as well. So my choice was either a belt or the hat, and it is a Set Diaries cable knit beanie in dusty rose or black. So I didn't get to check, or didn't get to pick the color, but I'm glad I got black. So we will try it on. There. So cute. I love hats. I have so many too because it's not even funny. So this is very soft. It's very large. It'll fit anyone. It's cute. Alright, so this is valued at $49. And the last thing was these Cottonelle Fresh Care. And I think these are almost like the item they kind of toss in as like an advertisement type item. So yeah, it's the sponsored Cottonelle Fresh Care flushable cleansing cloths. So this is really good. Just throw it into your purse and you have it kind of on the go, because you never know if you're without toilet paper and someone didn't refill the stall and you need this. So that is everything I got in my FabFitFun box for fall 2017. I feel like there's not a lot of waiting between them. I feel like, you know, it's every 3 months, and it really flies by. So before you know it, I'll be doing a winter FabFitFun box haul and unboxing. All right. So that is all I have for you guys today. I do have another video coming up, and we'll be talking about I think it's called the kit. It's a subscription. I'm looking at it. It's on the floor right now. I think it's called the kit. And it's a subscription box that we will be also unboxing very shortly. So I will see you next time for that. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and there's many more haul videos, unboxing videos on their way. So if you enjoy them, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any. All right, thanks guys. Bye.